Well, good morning, Lolo.
Oh, hello.
Oh,
I
hello.
see you there. I was watching the whales.
There's like a little baby and her mom that are breaching literally right out there. There's a boat right by that palm tree. They're to the left of the palm tree. We'll sit and hopefully we can get a good view while Lauren and I catch up on the past 2 days. Because we really haven't been filming. Our GoPro died.
It was mostly yesterday we didn't get.
Oh, there's a breach. He was right out there. I don't know if they'll be able to see it, but yeah, it was mostly yesterday. Yesterday was our Haleakela trip.
It feels like it was 2 days long.
Yeah. So we got up super early at like, what time is it? What time did we get up? Like 4 o'clock?
3. And then
3 o'clock.
3:15.
Goodness, who gets up?
3:30.
Who gets up that early on a vacation?
We woke up actually at 3:45.
So we got up super early. We drove about an hour and a half from our hotel up to Mount Haleakela to see the sunrise. It was actually really pretty.
Well, pro tip, right? Because we didn't know that you have to reserve a parking spot to get on to the park that early in the morning, because technically it's not open. But they manage it that early because almost everyone that's going up there is going to see the sunrise. So we couldn't get into the park to go to the very top of the mountain,
The summit.
volcano, the summit,
Yeah.
until the sunrise was officially like over. So we saw the sunrise, like maybe at 7,000 feet?
No, I think it was like 8,500 feet. It was right outside the park.
And it was still gorgeous and beautiful. We got some really cool pictures. But we couldn't get onto the park to see it from the very tippy top of the mountain, which would have been amazing. But we got on at 7, and it was still really beautiful, and we got to see all these different little cinder cones, and it was just kind of like this valley of fire. You could see where all like this lava would have flown, and all the cinder that had kind of just fallen and settled. It was really kind of Marsy.
It was beautiful. We'll see if we can include some photos, because we didn't film anything. Wow, he's just breaching. So he's just, if you look out at this palm tree, is just to the left, like right over there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 whales out there that I can count right now that just actually, as I was speaking, like showed their backs. There's also like a little youngling out there that's just feeling alive and free and is just breaching over and over and over again.
A youngling?
Yeah. So we spent the morning up at Haleakela, and then from Haleakela we went down and we went to the Paniolo, yeah, the Hawaiian cowboy town. Do you remember?
Wow.
Do you remember what that was called?
Makawao.
Makawao. It was actually really cute. They had it was a really almost Haleakela type feel, where it was sorry, you should talk. I'm sick and I probably can't understand me.
Than that. Back when all the Hawaiian cowboys were living there, that was kind of like a big town center for them. So now it's more of like a boutique shopping area.
We used the Gypsy app as well to kind of guide us around the island, and that has been a lot of fun because it gives us little tips and tricks on where to eat. For lunch, we stopped at the general store, which is right next to the
it was a
plantation.
Distillery. I can't remember what it was called, but they grow and they sell Maui Gold pineapples.
Maui Gold pineapples, yes.
And we got one.
And it was
really, really good.
epic. It was a lot of really good food. We had that for breakfast this morning. And then from there, once we finished, we went through and saw people blowing glass. We just wound up back at Lahaina.
We went to Monkey Pod for dinner, remember?
No, that was the day before.
No.
That wasn't last night.
Oh, you're right. Wow, that was a long day.
Yeah.
Yeah, then we went to the pool, and then we went to dinner, and we tasted the most delicious salsa ever.
Fritas in Lahaina. It's right on the beach. So good. And then today, we're off just to spend the whole day at the beach. And we're really excited about it. Pierce has been trying to get into the water for about 5 minutes. Let's see how he's doing.
I am born from water. A part of the water. Water is an important part of my life. the two dogs down there?
They're so cute. That's been his distraction from getting in.
Yeah.
And then there's a whale out here, so that's important.
Yeah, there's been a whale out there breaching. It's breached twice now.
He's gonna never get in the water.
I am getting in. Look, you can see the wet line.
He hasn't made it to his belly button yet. We're waiting. Here he goes. Big brave Pierce. Oh. Spout. He's gotta just jump in at this point, but he's not gonna do it.
It's pretty fierce out here. I don't know if I can get in there. Yeah, it's like sucking me out.
Yeah, you should let it. Yay! He did it!
Actually feels kind of nice.
Yes! High five.